How to get Vex armor trim in Minecraft. So this can help us decorate our armors and stuff like by adding colors. So what you want to do first is just locate a woodland mansion. So I'm currently on the woodland mansion. What you need to do is just simply find some chest. You just enter it and find some chest. So I have two chests right here. I just went from the roof. So it was right here. I just went to the roof and destroyed the block, and I now have it right here. Now just go to the chest right here. And as you can see, we now have our Vex armor trim. You just simply need to get that. And let's say for the other one, as you can see, there's no Vex armor trim, since chest here on the woodland mansion only has a 50% chance drop rate. But if you don't get it, you could just simply find other chests inside of it. Now, once you have the Vex armor trim, make sure you duplicate it. And to do that, just get some diamonds, place the Vex armor trim right there, and get some cobblestone. And you get the duplicates right there, so you have extras. And once that's done, you will need a smoothing template. And once you have it, you simply need to open it up and place the chest plate or any item that you want, any armor that you want. I want to use a chest plate, and just place the Vex armor trim right there. And let's say you want a green colored armor. What you will need to do is get some emerald, place it right there, and now you will have the netherite chest plate with the emerald material right there. And you can also go with gold if you want, and also with diamond. And there are a lot of other stuff you could go with, like silver and many more. You could just try it out for yourself. But that's how you basically get the Vex armor trim in Minecraft.